It's interesting. I'll ask one more question on AI before we move on to alternative commodities. That I did wonder, are there any major pitfalls when you were sort of playing around with ChatGPT that stood out? Because one thing I wondered was, is it always a little bit backwards looking? Can AI really predict sort of future trends?
Yeah, so this is, when you're going, one of the most important things, you've got to get the prompts right. So I actually use another piece of AI called Prompt Perfect, but I'm sure there's other tools out there to get the prompts right. It's like most things in life, you've got to ask the right questions. It's as if you've got an employee in your firm and you're asking them to do work for you. And then you've got to ask a bit more. And then you've got to say, well, wait a minute. No, I want you to consider this literature, look at this data. It sadly couldn't see in the future. It didn't have more of a crystal ball than me. Now, one day, it'll become omniscient. They'll plug in some robotics to it. That'll make it omnipotent. And most things which are omniscient and omnipotent